Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my Kelly Criterion update from yesterday, which was November 11th. So yesterday was November 11th. This is the experiment that I'm doing with the Kelly Criteria formula. I took 1,000 euros out of my personal trading account, and I'm applying the Kelly Criterion formula to figure out what the most ideal risk is, and I'm using half Kelly. So according to the formula, I should be risking 10% of my trading account per trade. So as you can see, this is my spreadsheet. Yesterday was a U.S. bank holiday. It was Veterans Day in the U.S., and I normally do not trade during U.S. bank holidays. But we did have some pretty nice moves in the London session, so I did get tempted into a couple trades. Yesterday, I took a long on the pound dollar, and because it was a bank holiday, I was trailing my stop loss on swings, and I got stopped out at a $71 profit or a 71 euro profit. And then later on in the day, I ended up taking a short, and in the afternoon, there was like no volume in the market. I ended up sitting in that trade for like 5 hours, and then I just got sick of it, so I closed it. Like I said, I normally do not trade on US bank holidays, so really I probably should have just stayed out of the market yesterday anyways. But like I said, this is a 1,000 euro trading account, and I started it on Monday the 10th, and I'm already up 42% on this account. So definitely doing very good so far. We can't really fear a couple losses here or there. So like I said, this is my actual trading platform right here. This is yesterday's trades. I made a $71 profit on the buy, and I made a $28 loss on the sell. But like I said, yesterday was a bank holiday, and I normally do not even trade bank holidays. So that is why I was trading with so much caution. Now, if anybody is interested in following along with my trades, I do share every single one of these trades that I take with the group at the exact time of entry. I honestly suggest not risking as much money as I'm risking. I'm only doing this with 1,000 euros, which is a very small percentage of my overall trading account. But this is an experiment that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and there's a potential of either turning this $1,000 into a large amount of money, like 10, 20, $30,000, or there's a risk of losing the whole account because, like I said, I am risking about 10% of my trading account per trade. But if anybody is interested in following along with any of my trades, then definitely check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And I definitely do not run a signal service, but I definitely do share every single trade that I take with the group at the time of entry. And it also comes with a ton of educational information, including a trading course, and pretty much every Elliot wave pattern you can think of is in my Discord page for you to study and hopefully learn those patterns yourself. So anyways, this is day two. I'll make another video tomorrow updating you about today's trades, and that will be day three. So anyways, definitely follow, like, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can follow along with this experiment that I'm doing. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.